Namaste and welcome back everyone. Now we are going to explore the world of Kepler. Before going to the Newton's world of the gravitation and gravity, let's see what the Kepler done in his masterwork. So first law of Kepler is that a planet always moves around the sun or a star in an orbit which is elliptical in nature and not circular in nature. So there is something that he observed which is elliptical in nature. So according to his theory, the orbits is elliptical and not circular. So this is the first thing that Kepler gave us. Now second law of the Kepler is the area swapped in the same time intervals when the earth and the sun is furthest and when earth and sun is nearest are remain the same. When earth is closest, the speed increases. When earth is furthest, speed slows down, as you can see in this graph, as the areas are equal. Once height is larger, so its base gets reduced, and once the height is reduced, so the base gets larger, so area is equal. Now on the third movement, he taught something mathematical, which is r cube directly proportional to t square. Here r is the distance between the planet and the star and t is the time, so r cube directly proportional to t square. And in the place of proportionality, you can use a constant depending upon the star you are taking on the basis of 4 pi mass, as you can see the formula here. So these formulas become the fundamental in the astronomy to study the gravitational laws for the Newton. So this is why we studied the Kepler's law first. Now as we have learned the Kepler's law, it's time to go back to Newton and explore his world of gravitation and his amazing discoveries. Stick with me. God bless, take care, and namaste.